Have you ever tried to play a streaming audio file on your Android device, only to run into frustrating issues? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to use a custom media data source with the Media Player in Android. I totally get it. You want to harness the power of Android's Media Player, but sometimes it just doesn't behave as expected. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with custom data sources. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How do I use a custom media data source with Media Player?" They shared that while their implementation works for some streams, it fails for others, like an AC broadcast. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong? The Media Player is designed to handle various data sources, but when using a custom media data source, there are specific requirements and potential pitfalls. We'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you troubleshoot and optimize your media data source implementation. To address the issue with the custom media data source, the user should first ensure that the custom implementation correctly handles the audio format. This means checking the MIME type and ensuring that the data source can read the audio stream properly. Next, the user should modify the getSize method in the URL media data source class. Currently, it returns 0, which may cause issues with certain audio streams. The user can implement a way to retrieve the actual size of the stream. After that, the user should ensure that the read@. method is correctly implemented. This method should handle reading from the stream efficiently, especially for different audio formats. Finally, the user should test the implementation with various audio streams to ensure compatibility. This includes testing with both the original URL and the custom media data source to confirm that it works as expected. Did you know? The first version of Android was released in 2008, and look how far we've come. But even with all this progress, we still face challenges like these. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that while the Media Player can handle audio MPEG streams through both URL and custom media data source, it only supports audio AACP streams via URL. They explain that when using a URL, the Media Player utilizes the Media HTTPS service to manage the connection and data retrieval, which is not accessible for custom implementations. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always test your media data source with different stream formats and ensure proper error handling. This will save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, you should be able to troubleshoot your custom media data source effectively. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing media playback.